Alright, today's an unboxing. We're going to be unboxing some shoes. Ah, hey. So let's rock and roll all night and party every day. Okay, so these shoes came in this box right here. This is a reenactment. I had to check them out. You know, you guys wouldn't want me wasting your time. So anyway, here we go. These are some, I almost said Johnson & Murphy. They're actually Allen Edmonds shoes here. I need to get a camera stand. Please forgive me. And you can see here, it's the box. Nice Allen Edmonds box. What you're about ready to see are some nice black shoes made by American shoemaker Allen Edmonds from Port Washington. See that? Port Washington. It's a nice little port city north of Chicago up in Wisconsin. So it's a nice little town. I've been there a couple of times myself. Not at the shoe factory, but just going up there to kind of check it out. Comes in this nice wrapper here. This nice, of course you're going to see that pretty much in any kind of shoe box of quality shoes. So the kind of shoes that you're looking at are dress shoes, appropriate for the business. Working shoes. These could be worn in a variety of occasions. More formal events. And they could be worn in more casual events as well. And you can see these are leather soles here, Goodyear welt. I'm not going to go through all the details about what Goodyear welt is. Let me get that Fry logo out of the background. I don't think Allen Edmonds would really want to see that Fry logo in the background. That's a different shoe company. So here they are. As you can see, really nice. All leather. Cap toe shoes with a perforated little thing here for some style. It has a medallion toe. See that little medallion toe there? And let's take out the other one, see how it looks. I think it's interesting to note is I got these at a what they call I can't remember, but it's like they're lightly blemished shoes, and they were considerably less expensive by going that route. So I decided I would give it a try, and to be quite frank with you, I have not seen any blemishes on these. They may be here somewhere, but you got to figure, you know, with a black shoe. Even if there is a little scratch or a nick or whatever on these things, it would be easy to fix. And when you wear shoes, it's usually you only wear maybe 1 or 2 times until you start getting those little blemishes like that. So, good looking shoe. The style of these is, well, let me see here. I can't remember what they're called. Strand. See that? The Strand shoes. They're black. And yeah, pretty nice looking shoes. You know, these are good, like just wearing shoes, work shoes. I'm gonna make a video about just black shoes because I really think that for a men's wardrobe, you've got to start out with a black shoe if you want to look halfway decent, and you want to wear something a little bit more dressy. So anyway, there you go. If you got any questions, put them in the comments and subscribe, because I plan on bringing you many more of these grade A class 1 videos by the King. Arrivederci.